Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning here, and today I'll be sharing my experience with the Business Analysis course on Udemy. This course promises to help you develop the skills you need to become a successful business analyst, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The course objectives are to provide a comprehensive understanding of business analysis, including the tools and techniques used to analyze and improve business processes. The course also aims to equip students with the skills needed to work effectively with stakeholders and to communicate complex information in a clear and concise manner. This course is targeted towards anyone who is interested in pursuing a career in business analysis or who wants to improve their skills in this area. It is suitable for beginners as well as those with some experience in the field. The course content is divided into several modules, each covering a different aspect of business analysis. The modules include 1. The role of the business analyst and the skills and tools they use. 2. The importance of effective communication and stakeholder management. 3. How to analyze and improve business processes, including the use of data and metrics. 4. The basics of requirements gathering and management. 5. The concept of business process modeling and how to create effective models. 6. The use of agile methodologies in business analysis. 7. The importance of business analysis in the context of digital transformation. The business analysis course was very engaging and informative. The modules were well structured and easy to follow, and the instructor was knowledgeable and clear in their explanations. The examples and case studies provided were particularly helpful in understanding the practical applications of the concepts. One thing I particularly liked was the emphasis on effective communication and stakeholder management. As a business analyst, it's important to be able to communicate complex information in a way that is easy for stakeholders to understand, and this course provided some valuable tips on how to do this. Overall, I highly recommend the business analysis course for anyone looking to develop their skills in this field. The course provides a comprehensive overview of the tools and techniques used by business analysts, and the skills you learn will be valuable in any organization. The examples and case studies were particularly helpful in understanding the practical applications of the concepts, and the instructor was knowledgeable and engaging. If you're looking to start a career in business analysis or want to improve your current skills, this course is a great place to start. It's packed with valuable information and insights that will help you become a successful business analyst. So, check it out on Udemy and start your journey towards a rewarding career. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and tips.